I got that on camera. Yeah.
Oh man, that was awesome. I knew that to make the trick look hard. Alright, let's try that again. Get the chainsaws out.
They're in the shop. No. Seeger.
We will cut your hair with the chainsaw. We cut your hair with the chainsaw.
Really?
No. We will cut the. We're gonna cut the hair with your chainsaw.
Here it is. Can you do this?
It's called core strength.
Should we find out or no? Yeah, let's try.
What do you think, everybody? No?
We're gonna cut your
See, I don't think so.
We're gonna cut your hair with the
Okay, here we go.
chainsaw. We're gonna cut your hair with the
Clap it up. Oh!
Drop the knife on my toe. There's a hole in your shoe. All right, we'll help. We'll help. Thank you, Pico.
We will cut a chainsaw with your.
Yes, let's have the child.
Yes, yes.
We will cut the chainsaw.
Child labor is much cheaper.
I hear you.
We will cut your hair with the chainsaw.
What? I'll follow you out.
We will cut your hair with the chainsaw.
Okay, let's put our coat on, honey.
We will cut your hair with the chainsaw.
Yeah!
Yes. Woo! All parts still